How to insert video in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way that you will enable the video, any video. Like you can enable your own video, you can also enable the YouTube video, so you can share the link and people can watch the video. Okay, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Google Doc. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. Okay, so in Google Docs there is no any direct option that you can use and insert the video, but I'm going to show the simple process. Okay, it is a simple and easy. Just come to the Google slide. So how you can go to the Google slide? Just open your Gmail, log in with your Gmail. Just go to this menu icon and we need to go to slides. Okay, so come to the Google slides. Okay, and just take the blank presentations, and here we need to go in insert, go to the videos, and here you can upload your own video, but before that you need to upload this video in Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive basically the free space from Google where you can upload your and manage your files. So you need to upload your files like videos first here, then you can find the video from here and you can upload, insert to the Google Docs. But now I'm going to show you how you can insert the YouTube video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first we need to search, you can copy paste the YouTube link here in the search box, or you can simply the search video. Like I'm searching for YouTube creators video. Okay, so you will get the all list here. Okay, simply the paste the link here, so it will, the video will be come up. Okay, so I just take this video, YouTube creator. Okay, go to the insert. Now this is the YouTube thumbnails or
Let's
YouTube.
dive into this month's roundup.
Okay, YouTube thumbnails will be insert here. So what you need to do now, just right click on it, copy it. Now come to the Google Docs and just paste. You can paste here. Okay, do one thing, go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new, and the paste here. Okay, then the thumbnail will be paste here. Now save and close it. Okay, so this is useful for you. Okay, now when you try, if you want to if you're owner of this file and if you want to see your videos, then you need to just double click on it, so you can play here. Just click on it, it will be play. Okay, but when you share this file to others, they not able to view it because it is only show the image. It is not viewable to others when you share the links. Okay, so what you can do, just go to the YouTube and search that video, and just go to the share button, just copy that link, come here again, just click on that video icon and just right click on it, and so double click on it, come to the drawing, click on it, right clicked. Okay, don't come here, just save and close it, and do one thing, just click on that icon and click on this option in line. Okay, and then right click on it and go to the insert the link and just paste this link here. Just copy the link and paste here and just apply, then paste this link will be paste here. Okay, okay, so do one thing, first click on this wrap text and just move your icon at your desired place, then come here and now just go right click on it, go to the insert link and paste this link and just apply. Okay, now if I share this file, okay, I just copy the link here. Okay, I just open this link in incognito mode. Okay, so this is file which is shared, you can share to others. So it is file look like this. Now people can just click on it and they can open that video in next step. Okay, and this help for others who to whom you share your file. And at your file you can also see your video from here. Just click on this link or just double click on it, and from here you can play the video. Okay, so this is a simple and easiest way that you can insert the YouTube videos and your own videos in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.